guys, Melanie here. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. Today I'm going to show you how we're going to transform this plain little bookshelf into something pretty cool. Hang out with me. Here we go. It doesn't have any latex or acrylics in it, so I'm able to use a wet towel to rub back and reveal the color underneath. Now it's time to start using our stamps. These stamps are all made by IOD. I do sell them at the store. I'll put the links in the comments below. When your stamp is brand new, you need to prep the surface of it, taking some sandpaper and lightly sanding it. Now I'm going to go back with the weathered wood, using my brayer to apply the paint to the high surfaces on the stamp. You want to go ahead and push it down. Don't squish, just slightly push and get your image. The wood plank stamp comes with lots of different grains of wood. Play around, have fun, use the little nails. Lots of cool stuff you can do. Now we're going to use the distress stamp. This one is really cool and gives you a really cool look. The Chippy Paint stamp comes with lots of different chips. Pull them off and do the same thing, placing them where you like it and where you think it would look natural. Painterly roses is so fun, so I'm going to go ahead and prep those again, and here we go. The roses come in two sets, so you're going to get one that looks like a blob and then one that has more detail. Using two colors that have contrast, you can create roses that look pretty darn good. On these roses, I'm starting off with Kissing Booth. For the second part of my roses, I'm going to go ahead and use Cowgirl Coral. The leaves and vines are the same. Your leaves are going to have two parts. Again, using colors that are realistic but have contrast. I started off with Gypsy Green. So bookshelves are kind of boring. You know, they just really are. And I'm always hesitant to buy them for my store. But something like this just made a bookshelf into something super fun, a piece of artwork. I'll highlight my leaves with mint chip. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me. Hope you hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you soon.